Hi everyone, it is Rizwan here. Today I am going to show you how you can use the HMC5883 module with the MonoView. The video is divided into three parts. The first part shows how to connect everything. The second part shows how to flash the code, and the final part explains the code in detail. Part 1. Connections. Connecting to MonoView is very simple. Just connect the programmer. I have used some white tag for stability. The HMC5883 module is also very easy to connect. The power and the I2C pins align perfectly except the data ready pin. That's why I have bent it. You can trim this pin if you want. All good. The connections are done. Neat and clean. Part 2. Flashing the code. Open the Arduino. Go to Files, Examples. Select the HMC5883 raw from the MonoView Basic. Click Upload and you are done. You can see the raw X, Y and Z values. If you rotate it or bring in some metal or magnets in close proximity, the values will change. Part 3. Code explanation. We have included two libraries here, the MonoBasic and the Wired library. The MonoBasic handles the LCD and the Wired library handles the I2C communication. We have taken an instance of the LCD, then started the LCD with begin and clear command. These lines set the position of the text MonoView and HMC5883 demo text. We start the I2C communication and start talking to the HMC chip with the chip's address, that is hexadecimal 1E. We set mode register 02 for continuous measurement. In the loop, we tell HMC chip to start at register 03. We read the next 6 bytes, organize them and store them in X, Y and Z variables. In the last portion, the code formats and converts the number into a string and prints them on the display. This cycle repeats again after half a second. Let's talk about this portion of the code and try to understand what is happening. The X is declared as an integer, that means it has 16 bits. The first line reads the 8 bits from the HMC chip's register. It stores into the X variable and then it moves 8 bits left. The second line again reads the register and stores in the X variable. Bitwise OR is performed between the new X value and the previous X value. This combination gives us the integer value of X axis. The same operation is performed 2 more times to get the Z and Y value. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, write in the comment. I'll see you next time. Bye.